No cap, you kiss your teeth, you brush your dirty teeth. I see my pages, me listen up over this year. Suck your mother same time. Big old girls. No cap, you kiss your teeth, you brush your dirty teeth. I see my pages, me listen up over this year. Suck your mother same time. Big old girls. No cap, you kiss your teeth, you brush your dirty teeth. I see my pages, me listen up over this year. Suck your mother same time. Big old girls.
What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
What's happening? What a go on? Welcome, guys, to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. I've been away for a little while. I'm come back here now. You don't know it go. I have to angle some business. No, guys, what I do, how to stay. I hope you in good health and good strength. And as always, if you now feel good, if you are feeling any pain, go and go check the doctor. Yes, guys, me there, you know, me there, guys. And one of the reasons why me there is because me want to have a conversation. And the conversation we me want to have is with Chrissy and CMR. Me left off of them and me gone about my business. Some people come on and me comment and say if me not make video about CMR and Chrissy, me not get views. But let me tell you this. Some of you may believe me make video because of views and money. No. Me not make video because of that. So if you now go watch my video and believe say me I go dead for hungry. No, me not going dead for hungry. What you do is watch the video and listen to what me I say. And get the understanding out of what me I say, because what me I talk about is realistic things me I talk about. Serious things. Me go say this. Me now go waste no time. Chrissy, me want to have a conversation with you. Because you lie, you act like you act like you're in a bad position, you act like everybody down upon you, when all you do is lie. Now, Chrissy, may I go say this to you. Why are you lying to your subscribers? Why are you acting like that to your subscribers? Why are you putting on a show, a facade? And then behind your subscriber back them is as dirty as the bush. You're dirty. Now, my viewers and subscribers and all of you out there, me tell you, say CMR and Chrissy all in secret for each other. But I give you a hint. About the secret. A couple people kind of go around and figure out some of the secret. But so far, so good. However, Chrissy, let me ask you something. So, a while back, you say you went on fasting, and the Lord, listen me good, the good Lord talked to you and you was reading all the Bibles and the scriptures and the all kind of things. But Chrissy, apparently nothing where you say are the good Lord never really talk to you. You come out and lie. Me go say this. Me only go say it once. Stop tell lie. Somebody, one of you subscribers, come over here and tell me say, oh me contact Disney World and make Disney World cancel your contract. I laugh because guess what? I never do such thing. And I go be honest with you. I wouldn't do such thing. No, I don't have time for that. However, you is an ambassador for some brands, see? And listen to me. You go over CMR live on TikTok and wow, I couldn't believe me ears of the words that was coming out of your mouth as a brand ambassador. I couldn't believe. I really and truly couldn't believe. Didn't you hear that? I'm going to play it again. Listen to what Chrissy said after one lady said, kiss me teeth and say more live. Not Chrissy live, you know. Say more live. Listen. So, wow. So Chrissy over there send people up under them mother. And she know about the people whole. She know how the size of the people in whole. Is this the same lady that went on fasting? Is this the same lady who went through so much? Is this the same person? Is this the person that you all said leave her alone because she's under pressure? She do nothing wrong? Listen to what I have to say. That is in defense of her husband. So where is the defense of the daughter? Why she never come out like that when all this thing was going on and do the same thing to CMR? You know what? Let me tell you why. They have a very big secret. They have a very big secret. Guys, we all see what's going on. And a lot of people not saying anything, but we have to talk about it when we see it. That's a brand ambassador. She is a brand ambassador. And she said it's over CMR page and she will diss them up over there. But listen to me, Chrissy. Even if it's over CMR page, it's your face and your voice. So whether if it's CMR page or Hoover page, it's your face and it's your words and it's you speak it. CMR was in the booth singing. You, who is a brand ambassador, listen me good. You would never hear me say one of them words out my mouth to nobody. Anyway, me finish with you. CMR, come here. Come here, CMR. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down, man. So up till now, you don't answer the question. You don't answer if you did it or not. But you go back into the house, which was a brave move. You go back into the house. See, man, me go ask you a question. And me don't know if you ask you the question, but me go ask you the question. Why the hell was your camera on that little girl weird hand so? See, man, me go ask you the question again. Why were you videoing that little girl rear hen when she was bent over on her bed like that? Why were you doing that? There was nothing for you to look at more than her. There was nothing for you to look at. And what you did, you blur out the camera. You blur it out. So when you blur it out, who you blurring it out from? Us? Or you you? Let me ask you something. You edit that video, don't it? And when you were editing that video, it never come to your mind. Because there was nothing, there was no talking. There was nothing to see more than that little girl bending over on her bed. You could have cut it out. You could have cut it out. You could have edited that out of the video because there was nothing going on in there. Let me ask you something. What is wrong with your brain? You just are come off of something very serious. And you tell me that you go into that girl room and she bent over on her bed. She wasn't looking at you. The only part of her you could see was her. And are you telling me you couldn't take the camera off right away? Hide the camera. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something as a father. I never did I go do that. I would never do that. Never do that. And also, let me also tell you something. For you to have that camera on her for that period of time is a disgrace, brother. You is a disgrace, brother. If you have the camera on her that long. You is a disgrace. There's no way you should have that camera on her that long and then you blur it out. What do you think blur it out go do? You only blur it out claims that you're hiding it from us. But what happened to the original footage? You keep the original footage. And as a matter of fact, let me say this to you. Chrissy said every video that make, she have to see it first before it go out. Are you telling me she did see that one? And if she did see that one, is that appropriate for you to put out there? Listen me, brother. Listen me, youth. Listen me and listen me good. Stop where you are doing. Stop where you are doing. The other day you come out, and make a video, a pity video. You make a pity video the other day of what you would have wanted to do, but you can't do it because. And you tell me, say after you come out and make that pity video, you come make a video, a show the little girl bend over her bed. You cannot see her head from her waist go up. You cannot see, but you can see from her waist go down, and you have the camera on it. What are you looking at? So let me ask this question. So if you're doing that on the camera, if you're doing that on camera, what are you doing off camera? Huh? What are you doing off camera? Guy, let me say this to you. All they need is one mistake. One. Just one. And you go sorry. You're going to be sorry. Because you don't have none of this, you don't have no brains. Me couldn't believe, listen me, man. Me don't watch your video, me, brother. Because of those kind of things, me can't take to see them things, and there's nothing me can do about it. But somebody send me. Yes, somebody send me that part, that specific part of the video. Me couldn't believe when me see it. Me couldn't believe when me see it. Come here and say, no, sir. This man not normal. My viewers and subscribers, me don't know what more to say. Me don't know what more to do. The only thing me know, one sweet day, we will really know what really happened in the house. We gonna know. And I gonna say this to you all. We're going to know what happened in that house sooner than later. Sooner than later, we're gonna know what happened in the house. Remember me telling you, secret a whole. Me have my reason why me not bust out the secret yet. When you realize when me talk about the secret, when me talk about there's a secret. When you realize him come out and make a video say in father say look how you make them a do with the name. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers. With that said, I'm out. Peace and love. And remember, like the video, share the video, comment down below. Make we have this conversation. Peace. I'm out.